Hey guys, welcome back to Pop Tropica. This is my second video ever and my second video Pop Tropica. And my name's G Plays, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the bell icon so that you'll be notified of all my videos. And so we're coming right back. We already gave him the stuff, so now we gotta find him because clearly he's not where he was. We're also going to try to hit a like goal of 15 likes, and I hope y'all are having a good day. And so this guy took on all of our materials and decided to take a nap. What a jerk! What? Nothing. Like a cold drink? Hey, you use those materials to make a hammock! My best work comes when I'm rested. Here are the plans. Wow, that's a terrible plan, man. You're not going to get very far. This is your plan? Wake me up when you finish building it. Pfft, no. I'll leave you here, son. Eat, eat. Eat, eat. Okay. I'm coming. There you go. Good job, little monkey. By the way, guys, if you would like a shout out, leave it in the comments below. My next video, I will be giving shout outs to anyone who asks. So just leave it in the comments below. And so wow, this is great. Can you really make this? The monkeys were the brains behind the operation this whole time, man. Alright, this blimp is great. Crazy starfish, hop aboard. The monkeys. Oh, yeah, let's... Where's Crusoe? You'd think he'd be here to send us off. Yeah, probably taking a nap somewhere. Alright, guys, so how's y'all's day going? Mine's going pretty good. I hope y'all are having a good day. If you're not, then maybe this video will cheer you up. Look, we're back in the race. Oh, there's the jerk who made us crash. We're back. Let's drop these bags to catch up. One. It's working. Drop more. How many of these I gotta drop?
Pretty sure you're gonna drop all of them.
You again?
No, he's gonna. Oh my god!
Thanks for dropping by. I fell out of the balloon, man. That hurts. Oh, I'm on top of it. Ha ha! Whew, what a catch. I'm gonna hop on your plane. You'll have to do better than that. Good idea.
Oops.
Now, boy, there's only... What? Hey, no.
If you guys don't already know, I am Coco Puff, G Play's friend.
Oh my goodness, he tried to kill me. With a trophy. Wow, we need to drop a little more weight to win.
Literally just so sad.
You're out of tricks, Red Bar Nose. That's such a weird name for a plane. He just spoke German. He was like, Nein. Alright, so let's drop the last one. Whoa, Crusoe's in there. I mean, my airship worked, obviously. We're still too heavy. What else can we throw overboard? Can we throw over Crusoe? We're catching up. Drop more weight. Check your bag. Are you carrying anything heavy? Maybe. Oh, the wrench. The wrench.
You can throw it at the guy.
Let me use it. You almost hit me. That was kind of the point. I've got nothing left. Crusoe, throw out your drink. How? I don't care if there's a little left. I'm gonna trick him. Now to win this race. Dump it on his head! Dump it on his head! There we go. Aha! Whew. Still a little left. Whoops. Oh, and I forgot. Last video, there was someone who actually commented and asked for a shout out. I think it was, their name was like Kosin? So there you go, Kosin. There's your shout out. I hope you will enjoy your shout out and continue to watch my videos. Congratulations, you are the winner. Thank you, mister. You like my dance? I was dancing in the balloon. Oh, yeah.
So, I think we should have a conversation.
Okay, what should I talk about? Congratulations on winning the race. It is my distinct honor to present to Crazy Starfish this island medallion. Okay, well, okay. Thanks, everybody, and thank you, Amelia. Who's Amelia? What an adventure. But this is just the beginning. Is it? Is it random person I never actually knew the name of? Let's visit the map. No, I don't like the carrot. I don't understand carrot. Let's try Time Tangled Island. Play. Da-na-na-na. Okay.
So I guess you're supposed to get in the hot air balloon.
No, that's not what we want to do. Oh, that crab looked so sad. Something's wrong over at Chameleon's lab. Okay, that's not very helpful, dude. No, I don't want to go in that party time tower. Chameleon's lab. What's wrong? Help! Something terrible is happening now. The future is in peril. Please come in. You don't even know who I am, and you're just like, please come in. I mean, it doesn't really matter who comes and helps. You're just a random person who just happened to get to the island, so let me just ask you. I mean, ooh, parkour. I'm gonna miss that jump. Please help us, Amen. A malfunction has mixed up the past, and now the future is in peril. Yeah, you've kind of already said that. This printout will explain everything. We're counting on you. You don't know my name, but you're like, let me count on this random stranger. Hope no one you guys never do that in real life, alright? Never count on a random stranger. So you can see the outcome of changes made in the past. Is there a past machine? Because, you know, that would be kind of helpful. Where am I trying to go? Nope, out there. Let's hop in the machine.
I think you should probably go up there and see.
No, I'm gonna go in the machine. Going in the machine. Well, then how do I power it up, dude? Huh? Fine. Just parkour my way up here again. How do I power it up, though? Didn't tell me how to power up the machine.
I guess you just click enter. Okay.
Let's go back down
Maybe
here.
just like click enter because I saw it said enter. Wait, there's a button.
No. Don't talk to her.
No, you can like easily go down there. I think. I think that's the button.
You're so not helpful, man.
He said inside. So maybe go inside of it.
I can't. I need to power it up. This thing.
Okay, wait. Click the
button.
button. Oops. Click the yellow button.
You can't.
Well, you could earlier.
No, I couldn't.
Yeah, you could. Oh, well, that didn't do anything. Okay. This is really starting to get boring.
Really? That's all I had to do?
Oh, okay.
I'm so triggered. I didn't know I could go down here. I thought that was a wall.
Yeah, I told you.
Dad. Okay. Wow.
This is so stupid. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna visit that site, so...
Go left real quick. See what's over here. I mean, this looks terrible. Let's never come here. Whoa.
This is what happens in the future, you guys.
What is this place? This will be a future if history is not restored. What do you mean? Who are you? I am you, but 50 years older. I knew it was going to be some crazy mumbo jumbo like that. Can you help me repair the past? Can you? Take this time travel device. Now hurry! Your future depends on you. What's the sign say? Okay. What? It wasn't supposed to be this way. Something happened in the past that ruined mankind's future. Can you turn back? Okay. That was going to be something interesting. Like, go this way to McDonald's or something crazy. I don't know.
To make dogs crazy?
McDonald's. I don't know. What's this? What is this?
Okay. Is this like, where are we trying to go in? Like, where?
Uh.
Oh, okay, we're going back to the lab, I guess. You guys.
Yeah, we're going to the lab.
So, we're back. I think it's the past again, like, no, it's like, it's like, it's like present or something. Yeah, we're in the
Why
present.
are you still crying? I already powered it up.
So, okay.
Let's go here.
We're going here, you guys.
Going to what looks to be the Romans.
I have no clue.
Can I talk? Yeah, we'll talk. Stay back! We can't trust anyone near the treasury anymore.
That's probably what happened wrong in the past.
Can I something was stolen? What was stolen? The prize golden vase is gone. There's a lot of golden vases, man. You can just replace it. Can I help? If you return the golden vase, you may talk to the oracle. Who's the oracle? Huh? That's a golden vase. Can I give you this one?
No, I guess not.
No, I want to talk to you, mister. Mister, stop moving. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which grants the others. What? Huh?
There are 1 million golden vases.
Greetings, stranger. Welcome to Delphi. You are not helpful. Look, a vase.
A golden vase.
This is gonna get on my nerves. Okay, it's gotta be up here because there's like parkour. If it ain't up here though, I'm on a roof.
What the heck? There's a golden vase. Why not return that golden vase? Oh my gosh.